Hello friends, today I'll show you how to replace batteries of a thermostat. It is very easy. Here's what you do. So this is an old style thermostat. First you remove the plastic cover that is outside. Just pull it out. And then all you need is a coin. I'm using a nickel here. Just put it on top where you see the slots. Just give it a little twist. Just a ring like that. Yeah, you see the outer cover just opens. You don't need a screwdriver or anything. Just do it on both sides and you see how easily it comes out. The batteries are right there. This one uses AA batteries. Just replace those with the new ones. That's what I'm doing right now here. And just press the batteries in place just until it switches on. Yep, it's switched on. I'm just giving it a, just putting it in its place. There it is. And you see the AC, reading already. The temperature is at 81 right now because the battery has been out for a few hours already. Just replace the case, put it back in its position and just give it a press. It clips on there. Put the outer cover, just press it in there and everything should be back to normal. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please post a comment and I'll respond to you as quickly as possible.